welcome to Rosekids! Today, I have special friend. Oh, wow, Olaf! Hello, 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 hello. Oh, what did you say? Olaf feels really hot today. Don't worry. I have a special fan! Ta-da! Oh, it will be cool! Okay, turn it on. Uh-oh. Turn it on. Uh-oh. It's not working. Oh, what happened? I feel hot too. I have a great idea. Let's make a paper fan together. Okay, everybody, what do we need today? It's very simple. First, a beautiful paper, scissors, double-sided tape, and popsicle stick. It's easy to make. We're going to fold the paper again and again. Let me show you. Fold the paper and the other side. Turn it over and fold again and turn it over. Fold again. Keep going. Look! Ooh. Ta-da! Wow! Great, it's almost done. We can just fold in half. Like this. Ooh. And using this double-sided tape, put tape here and stick it. Right. Ta-da! Oh, but it's too small. Don't worry. Ta-da! I already made some more. So put all this paper together. Very big circle, right? So we only need handles. We have popsicle stick and it will be the handle of this paper fan. Wow! Ta-da! Ooh, look! Oh, right! This is my paper fan! Ooh, let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Where is Olaf? Where is my friend? Olaf, don't worry. It makes you cool. Ooh. Whoa! people. Now, right, it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye.